X2 audio cables and blocks are designed for great performance at a great value. X2 battery terminals, fuse holders and distribution blocks featured nickel-plated terminals and impact-resistant covers for enhanced durability. Each audio cable is made with an OFC copper for efficient signal transfer. The low-profile RCA connectors feature 24K gold-plated ends for optimal contact. X2 amplifier kits are designed for customers on a budget. They include everything needed to power your amplifier. X2 audio cables, blocks and amp kits are extremely reliable and a great solution for your everyday install. Custom RCA barrels give you a great connection in tight spaces. Integrated strain relief for increased durability. Oxygen-free copper, OFC wire gives you the highest conductivity with lower resistance and less heat. Twister pair construction helps eliminate noise in your audio signal. Top reviews from the United States. Good cable. Clean, clear signal in OFC without breaking the bank. Flexible and well shielded.